In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. Whether you've completed the course, found it wasn't the right fit, or need to tidy up your dashboard, unenrolling can be a straightforward process. So, let's guide you through it step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Udemy account. Head to the Udemy website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Learning page. This is your personal hub for all courses you're currently enrolled in, and it's where you'll manage your course enrollments. Now that you're on the My Learning page, take a moment to locate the course you want to manage. If you have a long list of courses, you might find it helpful to use the search or filter options to quickly find the one you're looking to unenroll from. After locating your course, observe the top right corner of its course card. You'll notice 3 small dots, commonly referred to as a vertical ellipsis. Click on these dots to explore the management options available for this course. Clicking on the ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you have options for handling your course, including archiving or unenrolling. If you're simply looking to hide the course from your main view without permanently removing it, select Archive this course. This action will move the course to a separate archived section on your My Learning page. It's a great way to declutter while still retaining the ability to revisit the course later if you choose. To permanently remove the course from your account, proceed to the Unenroll from Course option in the drop-down. Please note, not all courses may allow you to completely unenroll depending on the specific course settings by the instructor. If the option is available and you select it, you'll be asked to confirm. Remain mindful that once you click Unenroll, this choice cannot be undone, and you will lose access to the course content, assignments, and any certificates of completion you may have earned from it. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your courses on Udemy, ensuring your learning journey is as organized and efficient as possible. Remember, whether you're archiving for later revisitation or entirely removing a course, these steps put you in control of your learning space. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to maintain an organized and streamlined course dashboard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Udemy's support page can be a great resource for any additional information you might need. Happy learning!